interaction with the facility was when we were moving back to India. And for us, it was very important moving back with two boys. It was very important to find a place which had enough of a space for the kids to play.
And to my surprise, I found 23 acres of land. And there were these 22 floor towers coming up, and there were only 2 towers that were ready at that time. I looked at the plans, I looked at what the future will be, that there'll be a very nice clubhouse, an international style swimming pool.
See, for people who have really slogged hard for about 40 years, living out of suitcases literally, this is a place which is the right place to settle down. I'll tell you the reasons why. One is the greenery around you, the breeze, lack of noise pollution.
Nahar Amrit Shakti is giving a little bit of something for everybody. So for example, for my son, there is a lot of play area. There are a lot of kids over here in the vicinity, his age group people, children, so he has people to mingle around. For my mother, there is the temple over here. There are a lot of walking spaces where she can meet people of her own age and relate to them. For us, we will meet people of our age. So there's something for everybody. And so everybody is kind of happy in that setup.
So we wanted a place that gives us everything at one point. So when we first stepped in over here, we were very impressed with the lush greenery. It was completely mesmerizing. It is very close to the international airport and even domestic. That's where our office is. It's very conveniently located, and it's also in Powai. So I think in these suburbs, there's no other place better than this location that one can be.
Yeah, actually here one very pleasant thing which surprised me was the culturally rich environment that this community has been able to provide.